Alright guys, today on Saving a Buck, well, we're outside and it's snowing, it's cold, and we got a little project. Wait and see. Let's go take a look. So as you can see, this thing is literally like right in my yard, so we're going to burn this dude out so we don't hit it with the car anymore. Alright, the reason we're getting rid of this stump is I keep running over this sucker with my lawnmower, or somebody's hitting it with a car. It's right on the edge of my driveway, and we're going to get rid of it. Look, we have this little wash tub right here, and we have a plan for it today. So let's see what we come up with. And that's what we got. Now we're going to go use it. Alright, now we got a field up. We're going to set it on fire and see how she does. We got the fire going now, and now we're going to wait and see what it does. Look how well that old washing machine barrel works after you cut it out. Works great. Got all the little holes in it. Works good for a fire ring at home. We can see the old stump down there below it there, and it is burning great. Best time to burn is when the snow's on. She's still burning hot. We're going to burn that baby until she's gone. Check with you later. Alright guys, that's all that's left of this stump we burnt. It rained all night and put it out, but it's still burning it all up, as you can see. There's nothing really left, mud. This mud, and we can run over that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Please like and subscribe down below, and we'll make some more videos for you to watch. Thanks.